This is a short video on how to set up the Signalman's meter to read code in the dark area. First of all, we turn it on and we press the C button because we're going to continue. Press the C button again, which is our menu. And now we need to press next twice to move to the carrier frequency position. So that's the A button, once, twice. Now we press the enter button, which allows us to set up the carrier frequency. We move the cursor to the third position, which is over the 5, and press the value button so that it goes up to 8. Move the cursor again and press the value button until it reaches 83. Then we press the C button, save. Now we can press the exit button, and to see the code rates, press the B button, which is ACC. Eventually on the screen you will get the code rate, the on time, and you can see that the track circuit frequency is set to 83 Hz. So that's a short video on how to operate the Signalman's meter for codes on the dart.